I've worked in emergency rooms for over 30 years, and I need you to hear me clearly. This is not fear-mongering. This is not exaggeration. Most people over 60 will not survive their first heart attack if they are alone. Almost half of heart attack deaths happen before the patient ever reaches the hospital. Not because help isn't available, but because people hesitate, panic, or don't know what to do in the first critical minutes. And the brutal truth is this: if you don't know the right steps, you can be gone in minutes. Today, I'm going to change that. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 science-backed, doctor-approved actions every senior must know to survive a heart attack when no one else is around. These are the same steps I wish every patient in my ER had known before it was too late. And please, pay close attention to number 3. Research shows it can mean the difference between permanent heart damage and walking out of the hospital alive. Quick question before we begin. How old are you right now? Write your age in the comments. I personally read and reply, just like a conversation in my clinic. Now let's begin. The very first step, and the most important one. Call 911 immediately. Do not wait. Do not second guess. Do not tell yourself, maybe it's indigestion. Every minute you wait, heart muscle dies. Cardiologists say it clearly. Time is muscle. According to the American Heart Association, calling emergency services within the first 5 to 10 minutes can increase survival rates by up to 50%. Yet studies show that nearly 1/3 of people over 60 wait more than 2 hours before seeking help. That delay can be fatal if you feel chest pressure or pain, sudden shortness of breath, nausea or dizziness, cold sweat, pain radiating to the arm, jaw, or back. Treat it as a heart attack until proven otherwise. Call 911 immediately. While help is on the way, what you do next can keep you alive. If emergency services have been called and you are not allergic, chew 1 aspirin, not swallow. Chew it. Aspirin helps prevent blood clots from growing larger. Chewing allows it to work faster, often within minutes. A major study published in The Lancet showed aspirin reduced death risk by 23% during a heart attack. Doctors recommend 1 uncoated 325 mg aspirin, unless your doctor has advised otherwise. If you have, guess, an aspirin allergy, a bleeding disorder, a doctor's warning against aspirin, skip this step. For everyone else, keeping aspirin accessible could save your life. Posture matters more than people realize. Sit upright, supported, loosen belts, collars, tight clothing. This reduces pressure on your lungs and heart, improves airflow, and lowers strain on a struggling heart. Lying flat makes the heart work harder, especially in seniors. Sitting upright helps you breathe easier and stay conscious longer. This sounds strange, but it's real. If you feel dizzy or like you might pass out, cough forcefully every 2-3 seconds. This is sometimes called cough CPR. Strong coughing increases chest pressure and helps push blood to the brain temporarily. It is not a cure, but it can keep you conscious until help arrives. If dizziness hits during chest pain, cough hard and rhythmically until medical help takes over. This step saves lives, and it's often forgotten. Unlock your door. Keep your phone nearby, preferably on speaker. Paramedics lose precious minutes breaking into locked homes. Those minutes matter. For every 10-minute delay in treatment, survival drops by nearly 10%. Remove every barrier between you and help. Panic makes heart attacks worse. Slow, deep breathing lowers stress hormones, improves oxygen delivery, and it reduces heart strain. Breathe like this. Inhale through your nose. Let your belly rise. Exhale slowly through pursed lips. Aim for 6 to 8 slow breaths per minute. Every calm breath buys time. This is the most important rule. Do not walk it off. Do not pace. Movement increases oxygen demand and worsens heart damage. Stay seated. Stay still. Focus only on breathing. Tell yourself, I've called for help. My job now is to stay calm. Stillness saves heart muscle. Stillness saves lives. You cannot predict a heart attack, but you can prepare for one. These 7 steps can mean the difference between tragedy and survival. If this video helped you, share it with someone you love. It could save their life. And make sure you subscribe for more life-saving, senior-focused health guidance. Because knowledge is not just power. It's survival,